Can you jumpstart a car with this small battery? Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you if you can jumpstart your car with this small battery. These are the batteries I will be using to jumpstart the car. These batteries are 20-volt batteries. As you can see on the multimeter, they show 20 volts. When you are jump-starting a car, always make sure your positive terminal is connected to the positive side and the negative terminal is connected to the negative side. I'm going to start my car. As you can see, the battery in my car is depleted and won't crank the engine. Here, I'm going to connect the positive side to the positive side and the negative side to the negative side. To find out which side is positive and which side is negative, I'm going to use a multimeter. When the negative probe of the multimeter is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the positive probe is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, the multimeter will show the voltage with a minus sign. That will help determine the positive and negative sides of the battery. Note, always connect positive to positive and negative or ground to negative when jump starting. Otherwise, there can be a short circuit and it can be very dangerous. Now, I'm going to start the car and see if it works or not. It actually works. You can actually jumpstart your car with this tiny battery. It could be very useful in an emergency. Do I recommend it? Not really, because it can be very dangerous. Only use it if you absolutely have to, and only in an emergency. For an emergency, I strongly recommend keeping a proper 12-volt jump starter in your car instead. It is designed specifically to provide the voltage and current needed to start a vehicle. I will be posting more interesting and educational automotive videos like this one. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.